Hey, how are you doing? This is day number 96 of challenge. I will talk on camera every single day until I get fluency. Practicing speaking as an English learner. First question, do you agree or disagree with the following statement? If you want to succeed in business, being outgoing and friendly is very important. I completely agree with the following statement because I think such as qualities of personality as being outgoing and friendly will definitely help you to create new connections with other people, improve your communication skills, and when you're friendly, your interacting is getting much more easier and effective, so you can find new partnerships with, for example, another business, another company. You can find, you can create your own team, be surrounded by people which you really like, spend time with, and at the same time develop your business together. Second task, what does the female student think about the bike lanes? Yeah, new bike lanes were set up at university campus area, and so now students can use bicycles more easier. It's gonna be more comfortable for them, and female students think that it is really actually good decision, good I will say invention in a university campus, because students really might start using bicycles more often to get to campus. And the other point was what was mentioned in the lecture, in the conversation, was about safety students, because a lot of cars in the campus and students might not feel safe using like bicycles and something like this without these bike lanes. But now it can be easier, but female students cast a little bit doubts on these points because she has never experienced this unsafety situation in the campus. She always feel like everything is normal because cars are not like drivers not in a rush, in a hurry, being in the campus, because everything is pretty close, so you don't need to speed up your car. From this perspective, it's not gonna increase safety like in campus. Third task, accept the concept of social cognition that the professor talks about. The main idea of social cognition is how we perceive and interact with the environments, with the other people, and with the world in general around us. There were two different examples of perceiving signs being in a society. First of all, we're talking about smile. At some cultures, smile can represent the true desire of talking to people, of becoming like close friends, or just starting conversation. It is a signal that you want another person to approach you and start conversation, like when you smile to each other. But at the same time, in many other cultures, it can be just a gesture of polite and nothing more. When you smile at the person back, this is enough. You're not supposed to approach him and start conversation. Secondly, we consider the example about touching each other. When you touch someone, like for example, in some cultures, given a pat on the back, it can be the sign of friendships, like normal behavior among society and like close friends. Meanwhile, at other cultures, it can be considered as a sign of attack. Yeah, not close friendship at all, and totally opposite way of looking at the situation. So we need to take it into account when we interacting with people. We need to remember from what culture they are from, and yeah, really concerned about this. Last task in TOEFL, describe the non-specific defenses and specific What? Professor talks about... That's the wrong question. Lecture was completely about another thing. Like, okay, in fact, the lecture was about arts, how art can become a foundation for the future protests, you know what I'm saying, among society. And yeah, artists, they can represent in their artworks their personal opinion, and not only personal, even maybe the group's, the society's opinion during some kind of period in history, to connect it with others, maybe to affect the political situation. Yeah, or just to share that they're not satisfied with the current situation in the country. For example, during the First World War in 1917 in France, some kind of artists, they created artwork with a like fountain or urinal. It was some kind of mixed in the same caricature. So it was the inscription like some kind of words were translated in German, like property, something like this. And by this way, he wanted to affect the government. Okay, this kind of TOEFL speaking questions were today. I like this normal speaking, but I need to go home today. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye, bye bye. See you in the village.